Hello. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile, but you can't seem to find it on your Google Play Store. So if we try searching for the Call of Duty, we can't find the game in our Google Play Store. In order to fix that, we need to go to our profile icon right here, then Settings, Family, Parental Controls, and from here either disable parental controls by typing in your PIN, or going to the second right here, Apps and Games, and typing in the PIN again and selecting PEGI 18. Now press save, go back, let's try finding Call of Duty again, and it's right here, we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.